guys, I'm here with Lawrence from Rancilio Specialty Coffee, and we're going to look at the Silvia Pro X. So let's start with the Rancilio Pro X and how how it's come from, obviously, years and years of the Rancilio Silvia, just version 1 through to version 6 now, is it?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. So
and how you came up with the next evolution of it.
Yeah, so the obviously with the Pro X, there was customers that, as you know, cult following, absolutely love the single boiler of the Silvia, great price point. Some customers wanted a little bit more. That's why the Pro X has now arrived. You've got double boiler. Some customers wanted PID for temperature management. Obviously, shot timers are becoming particularly important these days. And the feature that you might be able to pick up, depending on the background noise, is the pre-infusion. So that's the real killer for the Pro X now, is that ability to adjust the pre-infusion time. And naturally, the double boiler enables you to do the coffee and milk at the same time. So that's always been a limitation of the Silvia. And so the fact that you can pull your shot and then steam away. It's a 4-hole steam tip as well, so nice and powerful. It's going to make a big difference for a lot of customers. And clearly a hot water, separate hot water arm as well for the long black drinkers. The other little things that it has, you've still got your easy access to your water tank, like there's always been found on the Silvia. If you do run that water tank out of water, then it's got the advice here, H2O, just to let you know that it's out of water. So you're never going to come into any trouble. Multiple colours as well. So we've got the pink one on display here. Obviously we've got the silver for the Pro X as well. It does come in a black option, like what's found with the Silvia. And then you've got a white version as well for the Pro X. So yeah, you're going to cover many bases.
Yeah, I love the fact that, going from the original Silvia, which you had to get the hot water out of the steam one as well, single hole, and not to mention the constant temperature surfing that you had to do. I remember going into detail to help my brother-in-law work out the best way to make a coffee, and there's like very specific order. Someone had figured it out, like you turn the machine on, then you purge all the water out, then you put it back on and then turn it on, and I can't remember the full steps, but it was like a very detailed one to get your perfect coffee. Now you've completely made that obsolete, because this is going to give you full control of every aspect of the coffee.
Absolutely. Yep. And naturally you still get the reliability of and the durability of the Rancilio. So always well built and easy to work on.
And it's not a lot of difference in the size. Like, it's a little bit deeper, but it's actually not wider. So you're not giving up too much bench space to have that extra boiler. Yeah,
it was actually quite a smart approach of Rancilio. Is let's just make it deeper and not take up too much bench space.
Yeah.
Most people are going to operate with a 600mm bench, so it's still going to handle that nice and easily.
Talk us through the handle design, because I noticed that it's really quite different from the original ones.
Yeah, so you've got that sort of soft touch rubber. The other quite unique thing is that it's now sitting up straight, rather than on the angle there. It's been redesigned internally. So just another thing, because obviously what roasters no doubt love is people using more and more coffee each time.
Yeah.
That new handle can accommodate a triple basket these days, so you can get your 21 gram in there, no dramas. So yeah, a couple of nice little changes there.
What are the basket size, the regular basket sizes?
Standard sizes are 8 and 16 gram. But yeah, just the nice option of being able to put in a deeper basket if you want that deeper basket, rather than having to change your handle, is a good thing.
And I noticed there's also the pressure gauge now. Is that the water?
Correct.
Yeah,
that's your pressure gauge. So yeah, that's the other recent change with the Pro X is you got your pressure gauge. So naturally with your pre-infusion, you can see what's going on there as well. People love gadgets. So just that little bit more information. So not only do you get your pressure gauge, you also get your shot timer, which is helpful. So you can see that ramp up of pressure. So that highlights the pre-infusion, and it takes some time for that pressure to come right up.
Very beautiful machine. Obviously, we know Rancilio. I've been a personal fan of Rancilio for many of my years. I remember telling Paul many times my first commercial machine was a Rancilio and Z9. So it was like...
some years ago.
Yeah, some years ago, and it looked like a piece of junk that fell out of the sky when I had it, because it was all banged up, but still kept going and still made the best crema, and that I've back in those days. This is 2000. It was brilliant. So yeah, it's great to know that a brand like Rancilio keeps reinventing itself to keep up with specialty market and to deliver a brilliant, listens to its audience, because the modding community was really the ones that were pushing for this PID. You had the PID mod, and then now you've listened to them and gone, we'll put all of that and the dual boiler into the one machine, which is brilliant.
No, 100% agreed.
So there you have it, the Rancilio SILVIA Pro X. It's a wonderful machine. It's reasonably priced for the dual boiler range. I think it is actually exceptionally priced. I'm not sure if you've got the price on display here today, but
retail customer look at $3,000.
Yeah, which is perfect for that range, especially for all of the functions and the reliability. We already know the Rancilio has a proven track record for being one of the longest lasting home machines in the world. Now, you're investing that $3,000, you're not going to have to replace your machine for probably 20 plus years. So that amortized over that time, it's very cheap compared to some of the other appliance brands ones. So as always, I'm Ride, your coffee coach. Oh, thank you very much for talking with us, Lawrence.
My pleasure.
As always, I'm Ride, your coffee coach, and enjoy your brew.